I have been singing almost all my life, and well, I've been in the business for like 16 years now. But every time I plan for a show, I always end up singing somebody else's songs. Not that it's bad, it's just that I realize after 16 years, napakarami ko na rin po palang awiting na i-record. Some of them became big hits, some of them barely made it, some of them just became my favorites. No, but this show really is a tribute to all the songs I have been given privilege to record, and of course to all the songwriters who wrote them, and to all of you who listened to them, and hopefully will continue to listen to these beautiful songs. Lahat po tayo may mga pinagsimulan, and I can say mine started with this beautiful song, the first song I ever recorded. And I want to dedicate this to my parents, to my mother and my father, who, well, actually not for them I wouldn't be here, who struggled with me in the beginning, and whose love and support talagang napakalakas pa rin po at nandyan pa rin. So to my parents, Mama and Papa, this is for you. I still remember that day you said goodbye, and my eyes started crying. Oh baby, why do I have to feel this way? Oh baby, where in this world will I be if you try to find someone new? Say it's just a game, and you'd still come back to me. Please tell me there's still a chance for you and me. Oh, please tell me it's just a matter of time. Love me again, 'cause you know I've been waiting for so long. Please love me again, I'll do anything for you. Love me again. What words can you say Thank you.